at your door. Just take the time to answer and rise from the floor. I said, hey, if you believe in miracles, then you believe in Jesus Christ. I said, hey, there's one thing I can always say about him: he's on time. A blind man came to see him. Jesus asked, do you believe? He showed that he was faithful. His sight he did receive. I said, hey, if you believe in miracles, then you believe in Jesus Christ. I said, hey, there's one thing I can always say about him: he's on time. A man full of sickness, his body in pain, yeah. Jesus reached out and touched him, yes he did. His health he did regain. I said,